Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be exploring the power of spiritual healing and how it can help you connect with your inner self. Whether you are dealing with physical or emotional pain, spiritual healing can help you find peace and comfort within yourself. Let's start by finding a quiet and peaceful place where you can relax and focus your attention on your inner self. You may choose to light some candles, burn incense, or use any other props that help you feel more comfortable and relaxed. Connect with your breath. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. This helps to calm your mind and bring your attention inward. Feel the air entering your body and leaving it. Notice the sensations in your chest, stomach, and throat. Set your intention. Set your intention for this spiritual healing practice. What do you hope to gain from this practice? Is it peace, clarity, or healing? Take a moment to visualize yourself already feeling healed and whole. Release negative emotions. Allow yourself to release any negative emotions that may be weighing you down. Acknowledge your pain, anger, or sadness, but do not let them consume you. Visualize these emotions leaving your body as you exhale. Connect with your inner self. Now, bring your focus to your heart. Visualize a warm, glowing light radiating from your heart, filling your body with love and compassion. Allow yourself to connect with your inner self and feel the peace and comfort that it brings. Practice gratitude. Take a moment to think of things that you are grateful for in your life. Express gratitude for your blessings, both big and small. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can shift your focus from what you don't have to what you do have. Visualize your desired outcome. Visualize your desired outcome. What does it look like? How does it feel? Imagine yourself already having achieved it. Visualize the positive emotions associated with that outcome, such as joy, peace, or contentment. As we come to the end of this spiritual healing practice, take a moment to reflect on how you feel. Do you feel more calm, peaceful, or centered? Remember that spiritual healing is a journey, and it takes time and practice. Repeat this practice as often as you need to connect with your inner self and find comfort and healing. Thank you for joining me in this practice.